My name is Sonia and I'm a hoarder. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and in today's video I'm going to be doing some spring cleaning. I'm getting a head start. I've got tons and tons and tons of clothes in my wardrobe thanks to all of my successful try-on hauls. Thank you guys so much for supporting that. Oh, this video was made in partnership with FabFitFun. I'm going to be showing you guys the contents of the spring box. One of the pieces is a clothing item, so I need to make room for my new stuff, okay? I don't know about you guys, but every time that I clean out my wardrobe, it's always like,
oh my gosh, what happened to all my stuff? Now I've got plenty of room to go shopping some more.
Like this video if you're like me and feel the exact same way. I love organization videos and I hope you guys do too. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already joined my family. And let's get started. Not gonna lie, I wish I had some help. My sister did say that she would help me tomorrow. I kind of want to do this like now because I have the energy, I've got the time, so why not? Now before you empty out your drawers, you always want to make a plan. The way that I'm going to get organized is by making piles or bags. I've got some trash bags here. You're going to make a pile of keeps, a Kyle. Oh
my gosh, is that a sign? My man's gonna be named Kyle?
I've been watching too much reality TV, okay? I am like, where's my man? A pile to keep, a pile to donate, a pile to give to my friends or my sisters. I know after I'm done doing this, I'm going to like snore tonight because I'm gonna be so tired, but so worth it. I'm gonna wake up with like a sparkly room. 4 drawers a piece. And the majority of them look like this. That one's overflowing, so is that one. I want to make some room here. Getting a workout. This is just from one drawer. This is, oh, this has to go, girl. Okay, I seriously need to take a time out. Ugh. But I think this is like the perfect time for me to show you guys the FabFitFun box. Super pretty and covered in mariposas, butterflies. The theme of the spring box is metamorphosis, which is highlighting the beauty of transformation and positive change. And you guys have been noticing a lot of positive change here on my channel, and I really get excited when you guys leave me comments noticing those kinds of things because it does make a huge difference. And I encourage you guys to continue to watch and support creators that make you feel that way. To get into this box, if you guys have no idea what FabFitFun is, each one of these boxes is $49.99 and it's filled with full-size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness products 4 times a year. It's $49.99 per box. But if you guys use my code, you guys can save $10 and you will get it for $39.99. Most of the brands in our spring boxes were founded by women. Woo woo! First out of the box are going to be some cards. We have Bright Sellers, $45 credit to some wine. Gonna save that. And we have a code here for Bite Invisible Aligners, so they're going to straighten your teeth without having any braces. I'm going to make sure you guys didn't see that code because this is mine. I got crowding down here. You guys are going to need to get your own box. Ooh, 9 free meals, including shipping from HelloFresh. Hello! They also included their FabFitFun magazine. Underneath the tissue, or the contents of my box, first thing out of the box would have to be these silicone straws, which I'm like, how did you guys know that I'm trying to save the turtles one drink at a time? Next up is this 111 Skin. This is a rose gold radiance booster. Smells like The Bachelor. Roses. I'm curious to know how much this costs. Let me reference the magazine here. $45? You guys, this product alone already paying for itself. Next up is a blue matcha restoring mask. Now I'm curious to see how much this costs. $58. That smells amazing. I'm not even joking. I got chills on my left leg. Okay, now I'm getting pumped. Next out of the box is this thermal spring water. Ooh. This was $14. And my straws, $15. Next is AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner for moisture. Felt like my hair was screaming, for us, that one's for us. It smells good. Oh, I wish I could put it on my hair now. That was $24, you guys. Next up is a brush from Aria Beauty. Since the bristles are longer, they give your scalp a massage at the same time, relieving stress and tension. So I'm all about it. I love the way it sounds. You guys like? I like the way it sounds. Mama's Upgrade. This brush, $35. Next up, we have some stacked jewelry. My body has a weight sensitivity when it comes to jewelry, so everything has to be light and dainty because I don't know why, it gives me a headache. Am I an alien? Am I the only one that this happens to? Let me know in the comments down below. This has nice weight to it, doesn't feel like cheap or flimsy, and the retail value on this necklace is $50. I don't even want to take it off. It's so beautiful. Next is this rib sweater coat from Donnie, and it's valued at $100. The quality of the material feels really nice. I love it. I love the structure. I think it looks really cute. I like that it's light enough to layer. Also, one of the benefits of becoming a subscriber is that you guys can get your seasonal boxes before everybody else does, and also get introduced to a bunch of brands and products that you probably would have never known about. Oh, if you guys are watching internationally, FabFitFun is available in the US, Canada, and the UK. Don't forget to check out the description box down below for more information about FabFitFun and how you guys can start your subscription now. Use my code Sonia10 to save $10 on your first box. My energy level is back up to start making a dent on this situation right here. Oh yeah, back to reality. I have to clean up this mess. Okay, I guess just start from the top. I just got these jeans. They're from one of my recent Walmart hauls. I'm gonna keep these. I don't know what I was thinking when I got these. This is harder than it looks. So I have some jeans here from Zara that I know my sister will fit into and she would love and appreciate because I have so many. I'm also seeing a lot of collaborations from my favorite influencers who've come out with clothing, and I'm like, I have to keep those. I'm finding so many items in here that have tags on them still. Do not buy clothes for your skinnier body, okay? Buy clothes for what your body is now. I did it. Now I have tons and tons of items to list on my Poshmark. It's the same name here on YouTube, so just search SCCASTANEDA and you guys will find me there. One of my favorite parts of this whole process was definitely finding old tops and bottoms that I haven't seen in such a long time because I am a creature of habit. I tend to wear the same things over and over and over again. I am so tired, but very, very proud of myself. That's the great thing about cleaning and organizing, is that you get that instant gratification of moving your body and doing things you are distracted from, maybe things that stress you out in life. It's a really easy way to implement self-love, self-care, because you're distracted from those things, you're doing something productive, and you feel so good after it's done. It also warms my heart to share my clothing with my sisters and with my friends. Don't forget to check out the description box down below to love on today's partnership with FabFitFun. Again, my code is Sonia10 to save $10 off your first box. Either way, you're still getting an awesome deal. Take advantage of that. I promise you will not be disappointed. And before you guys go, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more content like this. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!